welcome to the first ever Holistically Hannah weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just really quickly before I send you guys over to last Saturday morning, I wanted to reiterate that nothing you see in my videos is medical advice. Again, now that that's out of the way, I hope you enjoy. Please comment if you have any ideas for future videos you'd like to see. It's Sunday night. I'm heading to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm just kind of waking up for the day. I've got Mowgli here. I'm not feeling very good today. I've got some kind of allergy stuff going on. I think it's mainly because of the really poor air quality because of the fires in Arizona. So hopefully we'll get through the day without me using my rescue inhaler. I'll talk to you guys soon. So as you can probably tell, I just finished my hair. Now I'm going to go outside and I'm going to brush Pavlov, and then we're going to do a quick training session, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I don't know if any of you guys noticed during the time lapse, but oh, sorry, distracted. He's playing fetch with himself. I subluxed my hip while I was brushing Fuzzy Butt. So I'm gonna just rest here a while till the pain subsides. I did get it back in off camera. But yeah, I'm gonna just rest here with some ice until that pain calms down. Heading to bed Monday night. See you guys in the morning. Good Tuesday morning, everyone. My day today consists of trying to find a dentist with experience with EDS patients, so we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey everyone, it's about noon. I've never found a dentist and my energy is starting to really dwindle. I'm very tired. It's hard to even form sentences right now, so I'm gonna take a nap. Hi, so I got up from my nap and I did finally find a dentist, and I've got an appointment with the dentist on Thursday, which is 2 days from now. So that'll be interesting. He said he didn't have any specific experience with EDS patients, but he said he was willing to research it. So hopefully he stays true to his word. I was impressed that he spoke with me directly, because that's always a good sign. I always like to speak with doctors like person to person rather than through their receptionist, if that makes sense, if they allow me to. That always makes me feel a little bit more like my message can get through to them in a more authentic and less distorted way. Not that receptionists distort messages intentionally, it's just that like when something's written down, it's harder to convey exactly what, you know, I would be trying to say. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, finally got a dental appointment. I've been having some weird allergy symptoms this afternoon. My tongue's pretty swollen. That's a beautiful, beautiful shot. But anyway, I'm keeping an eye on that. It does seem to be getting better so far though, because I was having some like really bad like hoarseness and some coughing and some like swelling on my lip and my cheek here and redness. But that seemed to have like gotten better. Like it's like obviously better because I don't see anything right now. But I even went and got my EpiPen just to be sure. But haven't needed it yet, so fingers crossed that I won't need it. Anyway, I will check in with you guys later. Hi everyone, I'm just outside enjoying the cool, you know, summer night air. In the morning I've got my upper endoscopy, so, you know, no eating or drinking past midnight tonight. I'm looking forward to updating you guys in the morning. Bye, good night. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. We're about to go do my GI procedure, my upper endoscopy. I'm gonna take you guys with me and they'll film if they let me.
It's right there, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, I'm back from my procedure. I'm a little bit loopy. They said they took some biopsies from my stomach, so we'll see what that means. I'll talk to you guys soon. Sometimes you need to move to the floor and the floor mirror to be able to finish your hair without passing out. Hi, it's Thursday, so a new day. I definitely feel a lot better today and a lot more able to explain exactly what happened yesterday during my endoscopy. They sedated me and that worked really well. Sorry, that's Pavlov crying, he wants to get in. They sedated me and then they also found, well, first they found a hiatal hernia, which is part of my stomach kind of like coming up into my esophagus. I'm not sure yet if they want to try to fix that surgically or wait till it gets bigger first. The second thing they found was evidence of like severe reflux. So they put me on like stronger reflux meds for that. They also said that I've got gastritis and esophagitis, and they took biopsies to test me for celiac disease and also for H. pylori. So that's about all I can think of to mention to you guys right now. I'm getting ready to give Mowgli a bath, and then I'm going to go to the dentist. Yeah, I did finally find a dentist that accepts EDS patients and feels comfortable working on me, so that's a good thing. And I will check in with you guys soon. Bye. Oh, I totally forgot a minute ago. I also wanted to mention to you guys that it took me 3 breaks to curl my hair, and it's falling out already. Not my hair is not falling out. Well, it kind of is, but not like all in clumps. It's just kind of not that curly. Anyway, I took 3 breaks. It took me a very long time. It is what it is. Good Friday morning, everyone. I realized early today that I forgot to vlog the rest of yesterday, so I do apologize for that. To update you a little bit about how the dentist visit went, I saw the dentist and they did x-rays. They were the first x-rays I'd ever had that were not incredibly painful and that didn't leave bruises and bleeding in my mouth. And then the exam went well too. They said I've got a relatively healthy mouth. They did say though that my EDS is starting to affect my gums and teeth a little bit. So it's just something to keep an eye out for. They were so meticulous with the exam and x-rays though that they had to schedule the cleaning for Saturday morning. So that's where that is right now. Mowgli is still sleepy. Let's see what else is going on today. Oh, my mom went out to get us some bagels for breakfast, so that'll be nice. I'm going to work on some editing today, and I will let you guys know as soon as something else develops. I'm sorry I'm so shaky, guys. I just had to use my EpiPen. I'm still pretty puffy, pretty red, but I'm okay breathing now, so I'm good. I think it was that I touched a piece of cottonwood tree fluff. Yeah. Hey everyone, so it's been kind of a long day, so you'll have to just excuse the presence of my headband, hair thing. I don't really know what to call it. I promise you it's better than what's underneath it. Anyway, I wanted to just say goodnight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good Saturday morning, everyone. My mom and I are heading over to Marshall's to pick up a new bowl for Pavlov to eat out of, and then I'm going to get my bangs trimmed, and then I'm going to go to the dentist. Talk to you guys soon. Hi, so I'm finally back from the dentist and getting my bangs trimmed, and I just wanted to talk to you guys for a minute about how worth it was putting in the extra effort to find a dentist willing to work with someone with Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, or someone who feels comfortable rather working with someone with EDS, and someone who's also willing to do extra research in order to provide the best possible care for me. I called maybe 10 to 15 different dental offices, and none of them were a right fit for me. And I'm really glad that I didn't just go ahead and go to any of those offices, because today today in combination with Thursday, I had the best dental care experience I've ever had in my life. It was the least painful, the most understanding, situation that I've ever been in. And I know that it's like super hard to put in all that effort to find someone and then maybe not have it even work out. But I'm telling you, even though like when you're chronically ill, it takes like so much more effort to even go an extra inch, let alone an extra mile to find a good provider. When you do, it can really mean your health and your comfort. So that's definitely something to consider. I also just wanted to go ahead and close out the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching this week in my life. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!